Today, we are going to tell you 7 essential travel safety tips that is very important for you people when you are hangover. So travel can be exciting, eye-opening experience. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of adventures, but don't forget about travel security and safety considerations while you are abroad. Follow these 7 travel safety tips to help you to a trip that memorable for all right reasons. Number first is do your research. Get to know your destination and depth before you arrive. Read traveler reviews and consult with locals for information about the safest neighborhood places to stay and incidents of crime. Check the State Department website for a country update and enroll in the smart travel enrollment programs. Number 6. Don't draw attentions. People who they have from out of towns are especially vulnerable to crime, so try to blend as much as you can. Choose inconspicuous clothing won't attract attention. Be discreet when looking at maps and approach people carefully if you need to ask for directions. Make copies of important documents. You never know when you might need a copy of your passport, driver's license, or another form of identification. Scan these documents to save online and print out several hard copies. They won't be scrambling to find proper documentations. Number 4. Keep your friends and family updated. No matter whether you are going on or not jaunt or month-long international journey, it's always a good idea to let friends and families back home know before you have sent a copy of your itinerary so people trusted who can tabs on your whereabouts. Number 5. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Don't let the convenience of internet access cloud your judgment. When you use public Wi-Fi, hackers looking to steal valuables information and access your data, included credit card and social security number. Number 6. Safeguard your hotel rooms. Even if your hotel has strong security measures in place, there are safety so can tips to make your room safer. Lock and travel deadbolts the door and keep your window shut. You can buy a jammers which is portable device that slips under the door for another layer of protection. Number 7. Very important. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't let your guard down to snap perfect picture of for your social media platform. Keep an eye on your personal belongings at all times. Use good judgments and when talking to strangers, a big for all agile traveler is opportunities. It's about their culture. But if someone near you acting suspiciously, if you feel uncomfortable, leave the area immediately. So these are the very important 7 steps for travel.
Shutterstock Music.